Now let's talk about the sector and segment of a circle. A sector of a circle is the region bounded by an arc of the circle and the two radii to the endpoints of the arc. Say, given the circle, the red part or the red shaded part is what we call the sector of a circle. Now to find the area of the sector of a circle, get the product of the ratio of the measurement of the arc over 360 and the area of the circle. Now by formula, we have the area of the sector is equal to the measure of the arc over 360 times the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So let's have an example. Say the radius of circle C is 10 centimeters. If the degree measure of arc AB is 60, what is the area of sector ACB? So let's begin. We know that the given are the following. The radius is 10 centimeters, while the degree measure of arc AB is 60 degrees. Now, first, you have to determine the ratio using the measure of the arc over 360. The measurement of the arc in the given is 60 over 360. Now, we know that 60 over 360 can be reducible by dividing it with 60. Or dividing it by 60, and 60 divided by 60 is 1, and 300 divided by 60 is 6. So instead of writing down 60 over 360, we can write down 1 over 6. The purpose of this is, what if you do not have calculators? Paano mo siya masosolve ng mas madadalian ka? Okay? So you can also use 60 over 360 directly, but 1 over 6 is much easier to deal with than 60 over 360. So that is 1/6. Now find the area of the circle given the formula pi r squared, in which pi is approximately 3.1416. So the area of the circle is equal to pi r squared, in which r is 10 centimeters. So you have pi 10 centimeters quantity squared. So 10 times 10, that is 100. That is 100 pi. Or should I say 100 centimeters squared? And therefore, the area of the circle is 100 pi centimeters squared. Now, what if in the options there is no 100 pi centimeters square? Anong gagawin mo? You have to evaluate 100 pi. And 100 pi, that is 100. 100 times 3.1416, and that is approximately equal to 314.16. So the area of the circle is equal to 314.16 centimeters squared. Now let's continue. Now we know that the measure of the arc is 60 over 360, or 1/6, times the area of the circle, which is 100 pi r squared. Or should I say 100 centimeters squared. And 1 times 100 is 100 over 6 pi centimeters squared. And 100 over 6 can be reducible by dividing it by 3. Or should I say by dividing it by 2. 100 divided by 2, that is 50. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So if you will evaluate 100 over 6 pi centimeters squared, it is also equal to 50 over 3 pi centimeters squared. Now, what is the value of 50 over 3 pi centimeters squared? The area now of the sector is equal to 50 times 4, should I say 3.1416 over 3. And 50 times 3.14 16 is 157.0808 divided by 3. That is equal to 52.36. So the area of the sector now is 52.36 centimeters squared.